Hey, good afternoon. I am still exhausted from last week.
I'm just scratching my head. I don't know.
And now we're going again. Well, I'm going again. You're dropping me off at the airport where I'm going to Chicago. Veda, how you feel?
I'm real fucking tired too. Freaking tired? Yeah. Fudging tired.
We didn't recover.
No.
It was a long week, rough week,
it was
exciting week.
Well, if you look at my vlog, I covered us getting home and that took freaking forever, so.
It really did.
But for some reason you went to jiu-jitsu this morning too, so honestly I don't really think you're trying to recover. You and the gym.
Let's go! Okay, hello friends. We have made it to Chicago, more specifically the Aragon Ballroom, where AEW will be staying and doing shows in for the next couple weeks. I had a very good night's sleep, and I am very ready for Dynamite today, so let's frickin' go.
We are here in Chicago, baby.
I got a birthday present.
We got a birthday.
I got a birthday match.
Got a birthday
Jet
match.
Speed and Brodito versus the Young Bucks, Hechicero, Josh Alexander, which is exactly what we need to get our groove back on, to get the mojo back, to rehabilitate ourselves.
Right, we got an all-star match. We got the all-star people, Brodito and Jet Speed. It's a match made in heaven. On my man's birthday. So we gotta set them all straight for this birthday. We gotta start it off right. So tonight, Chicago, we gotta show them a good time. Young Bucks, who is it? Hechicero? Did I say that correctly?
Hechicero.
Hechicero.
Who does magic of some sort. Alchemist? Alchemy? He turns holds into gold, is my understanding.
Holds into gold. That's kind of nice. That's,
right.
I hope I'm not getting the hold turned into gold. I mean, we are searching for gold, but we're not getting turned to gold tonight. Hechicero, sorry.
We kind of got to rebuild from here, because our quest for gold kind of ended at All In for now.
For now.
Right? The Hurt Locker, they're not here today.
Right.
Who knows where they are, off protecting their championships outside of the ring as they do.
You know, I'm starting to think that they really just might be scared of Jet Speed and our potential because they didn't show up. We beat FTR last week. They didn't show up.
That's right.
You know, we're scaring off a lot of vets in this locker room.
Yeah.
And the patriarchy, you see what happened to them, they're crumbling. And still, the Hurt Locker, the Hurt whatever, still hasn't beaten us in the tag team match. So we're still looking for this golden opportunity.
Let's go. All right, so the quest continues tonight.
Let's do it.
Hold on. So today is stacked. We've got the hottest team in the entire world.
Hey.
Yeah, papi, let's go. Brodito is here. Yeah.
Jet Speed and Brodito.
The hottest unit in the world, the All-Stars.
Right.
And I do believe the world All-Star gets thrown around a lot.
Right.
But we really are an All-Stars. We're going to get the show on. We're going to get paid.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to go play.
Guys, let me hear you bark.
Come on.
Take it easy.
Pretty good.
Let me see what I got.
He got that ATL dog in.
Hey, what's this?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yes, sir, we are.
All right. Well, that didn't go the way we wanted.
Not the way we wanted. I'm sorry we brought your birthday in on a bad note. But you know we can make it up tomorrow. We got Collision.
Back here tomorrow. Back here for a couple weeks.
For a couple weeks now. You know what I mean? We can get a little residency, we can kick back our feet, get comfortable, get some Chicago style pizza, the real Chicago style pizza, not the deep dish, the thin crust. That's the actual Chicago style.
What?
Yes, that's what I heard from the locals. You know what I mean? I gotta get tapped in with my people.
I never heard anything about that.
You never heard the deep
No,
dish?
thin crust? I've had the deep dish. I know the deep dish. I'm not a huge fan of the deep dish. It's
Neither
too
am I.
much.
It's lasagna. It's lasagna with a little bit of crust.
But Chicago style thin crust?
Yes, sir. Yes,
That's
sir.
crazy.
We gonna find a good spot. I don't know when you're dropping this, but if it's anytime soon, please comment any recommendations. We might hit up Sean D from the infantry, but if y'all got any recommendations, please bring them
Well,
on.
I'm gonna be dropping this soon, but we're here for 3 weeks, so whatever Chicago restaurants you recommend, we'll have time to hit up at some point.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready. today was a slow start.
Yeah.
We can get it back popping tomorrow.
That's good.
You know, it's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up.
That's right.
And jet speed is always up, so it really doesn't matter.
Always up. Jet speed up. Okay, we're back tomorrow. Good morning, friends. It's Thursday. Collision is tonight, and I just got done signing a bunch of mystery items over at Pro Wrestling Tees. My hand is very sore, but I got a big match tonight, so we're gonna head on over. So you might think we've been transported, possibly via hurricane, to a magical place. But no, this is indeed the men's washroom.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And if you've seen this Pete vlog before, Alex Zane, you know what we do in the men's washroom.
Oh dear.
It is time, friends, for the most exciting, highly demanded segment on my vlog, which is called the PTDR. Do you know what the PTDR is?
No.
So in French, PTDR stands for Pet de Rire. But that's not what we're gonna do. This is no laughing matter. The PTDR stands for the Paper Towel Dispenser Review.
Oh yeah.
And I'm glad you're here because you've been selected for what is sure to be an extremely exciting episode, because at quick glance, again, I haven't reviewed them in depth,
Right.
but I have seen what might be the worst paper towel dispensers ever seen on this show. How do you feel about paper towels in general?
I think they're necessary. I don't like the hand blowy things.
No.
I don't like those.
Right.
So I don't know if we're pro or con on the fucking hand blowies.
We've had mixed reviews. I think so far their average score is pretty much the same, but it really depends on like the responsiveness. Sometimes it blows, but too little to actually dry your hands.
Yeah.
But we've got a very unique situation today. If you'll follow me, we're just gonna go over. Okay, this is what we got, and honestly, it's a pretty sad sight.
This guy.
Uline with the most fucking bare bones. How does it pull? Okay. Oh, okay. So this is very encouraging.
Perforated.
It's
nice
perforated
edge.
At least we have an even tear. That's important. Sometimes
Someone fucked it up.
Someone did fuck it up.
Not
but See, you got it. My worry with those, and what happens too often, is that you start pulling and then it just comes out.
It just keeps going.
Like a
Well, I
clown's
think people
cuff,
might go too hard.
right?
Maybe they're just coming up and they're see.
Right?
Now we want-
Okay, there we go. Yeah.
Now I've got to wash my hands twice in order not to waste the paper towels, but they're missing the perforated edge. If you just gotta give it a gentle pull.
Oh my God.
Gentle pull. Bless the
That was
Lord.
so sweet.
Yeah.
That was so sweet.
Feels so sweet.
Okay, and it's manual. And you said you're old school when it comes to paper towel dispensers. You like the manual.
Yeah, I need to feel it.
Right. Okay.
know.
So the way those are rated is from 1 to 5 stars, but sometimes up to 7.
Sometimes up to 7.
Yeah.
This is like the Melter rating.
Who? Melts who? I'm not familiar.
You're familiar.
But yeah. So what do you think? What's the score for the U line here? Very
U-line?
manual.
Definitely not the best. Come on.
No.
It's not the best.
It's not 5 stars.
automatic.
It's not even 4 stars. I wouldn't think.
One thing I don't think it's quite 4, but what may bump it above a 3, not quite 4, maybe a 3.5, is the fact that what I don't like to do is I don't like to have to touch the paper towel
Yes.
dispenser with wet hands.
Right. I
Who
agree.
likes to do that?
Yep. No one.
No
Absolutely
one.
no one.
So I can dispense said paper towels just without touching the dispenser. However,
For me, the best selling point for this U-line model right here is much like Mitch Hedberg said about elevators versus escalators. An elevator can be broken. An escalator cannot be broken. It can only be temporarily stairs. Right? This can never, like, it just dispense it, like, it can't be
the
broken.
bad thing about that is when you have wet hands
Yes.
and you go to pull it. Now
Yeah.
sometimes you sog through the paper towel,
no,
and
that's
you just get this
nasty
wet
word.
piece.
Nasty
So yes, it's good not to have to touch the thing. That is a plus. But sogging through your paper towel before you get to use it,
Bad.
bad. So that's going to round us back down to That almost puts it below a 3.
Below a 3, but above a 2?
Yeah.
I think above a 2, it works.
Yeah, it's above a 2.
So,
Above a 2.
2.5?
2.5. We're going 2.5.
Okay.
I'm going to go wash my hands so I can use the
Well,
paper
we're going to
towel.
be here for a couple weeks, so I'm going to get other people's review, and then we'll be able to give this U-line model a good average score. Thank you all. Okay.
Got some special guests in the house once again. Shout out to my Hermano.
So last night
Bandito.
didn't go well, but tonight we get a do-over.
Right.
Es momento, aquí estamos, los mexicanos, máscara dorada y el más buscado. Los Speed Stars, let's go.
Golden Jet Speed Bandits.
Wow.
Or
muy bien.
something. I don't know. I tried.
No say.
A ver qué tal.
Well, we need to figure out the name. So first is win the match.
Vamos.
Second, figure out a cool team name.
Right.
Venga, vámonos, let's go.
Échale, güey. Yes. Échale. Hey.
Wow. What a main event. That was wild.
That was
That
wild.
was a great way to end this Chicago weekend. I'm feeling some Portillo's. I'm feeling some Chicago pizza, whatever we talked about. How you feeling?
This is a serious question.
Right.
And I know. He's gonna. This is a serious question. I know we talk about food a lot.
Right.
But I'm down to get some Chicago food right now.
Ooh.
I don't know if there's a way we can do that.
You
but
talking
man,
about language.
I do love a Chicago hot dog.
Oh, Chicago dog is nice. You know, let's see what's on the Uber Eats. Let's see if we go Uber somewhere. And let's make this thing happen because we got a lot to celebrate. It's my man's birthday. Happy birthday.
That's
Say happy
right.
birthday
I'm
in the
owed a
comments.
birthday meal. Come on now. At least the birthday hot dog.
Come on.
Come on. Okay. You know what? This was a great collision, great taping.
Right.
Let's see what we can do about food. Look who we ran into.
Mwah.
Famous Chicago area referee. Yes, very famous, Ned. And you gave me, hold on, I gotta put my La Croix down. La Croix? Lighter that has me, Rob Van
The
Dam,
legendary RVD.
many other very neat things on it. Now it is true that I do not smoke, but I might have to.
No, yeah, this is just for lighting your incense candles,
That's
sticks
true.
of dynamite.
It's got dogs too, sticks of dynamite.
Yeah.
I do love Dynamite, as we know.
That's right.
Every Wednesday on TBS and HBO Max.
Tune in.
Tune in.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so
You're with
much.
the living
Really
legend.
appreciate it. Love it.
Pleasure to see you, Steve.
And then I had to ride a wheelchair for the rest of the time.
Hey, we
Celebrate.
said we was gonna do it.
We did.
We said we was gonna do it.
Time for fucking lunch.
Grizzly game.
I'm gonna enjoy. Little birthday meal.
Happy birthday! Let's go. How old are you? 24?
Yeah. 24.
24 years old.
And we're back. Hi, Veda.
Hello.
Thank you for coming to the airport to pick me up. I had a very good birthday week.
Woo!
Actually, this is the first time you're seeing me now that I am 1 year older.
Yeah, maybe you're getting too old for me. I am, of course, famously 26 forever. Now you're what, 35? I don't know, that's what the internet said.
I'm 26 as well.
Both 26
Two
forever.
26-year-olds.
Two young, vibrant 26-year-olds living their best life.
Oh, yeah. How was your week?
It fucking sucked. I don't like when you're away. I like when we travel and work together. I don't like when we don't. Period.
Well, I'm back. So I'm gonna put this away, edit the vlog, drop it on Monday. Thank you all so much for watching, friends. I'll see you on the next one.